Okay, Rajan and other people in the house. This is me and Allison's boyfriend Brett's dog. Say hello to the people. Money. Yep. He's an awesome doggy. Money! Money! Oh yeah, and its name is Money. Her name is Money. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, and did I mention that we're watching 007 GoldenEye? Yes, that's right. Money also handshakes. Okay, watch. Money. Handshake. 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 She also licks. She does not bite. She's never bit me yet. She thinks I'm still in handshake mode. Lick. Lick. That fools you, Allison. Yep. This is Money. She's worth lots of money. Isn't it right? Handshake! Handshake! I know you're interested in GoldenEye. Oh yeah. You.
You're going to test fire GoldenEye.
Yeah. Hey, the camera does not want to shake. Oh, okay, my knee, okay. Robbie. And Dad, look at this. GoldenEye.
Thank you.
Whoa! It's okay, Money, I'll hold you. I'll promise. Let's shake on it. Okay. Next thing's next. She can run. Come on, Money. Or she can also lay down, roll over. Come on.
She's not going to.
I know, she doesn't do that, sorry, I lied. And she likes her bone. Your bone?
She doesn't like it.
Oh, she doesn't like her bone?
Not unless you leave her alone.
Okay. What else I know she likes is, come on, Money. Come on, Money. Oh, you're all out of food. Never mind. She doesn't like her tennis ball?
No, she doesn't like that.
Does she play with anything? Wow.
She's too old to play.
How old are you, Money?
5. Ew.
Don't lick your bottom. Oh, she also itches. Come on, Money. Come on. Come on. And she can lay. She knows what that means.